This video provides guidance on importing existing metadata XML files created using the Minnesota Metadata Editor into ArcGIS Online or Portal using ArcGIS Pro. The Minnesota Geospatial Metadata Guidelines are an adaptation of the Federal Geographic Data Committee's content standard for digital geospatial metadata, and as such, XML files generated using the Minnesota Metadata Editor are recognized as this style. Meanwhile, metadata in ArcGIS Online or Portal is stored in Esri's own native style. ArcGIS Pro can be treated as a tool to accomplish a conversion between your existing XML files and Esri's format. Original metadata in various formats can be uploaded into Pro, and Esri software will automatically convert the elements as necessary. It should be noted that importing metadata this way will overwrite all of the item's existing metadata, including abstract and summary. If you do not wish to overwrite all metadata on the item, I will show a method to accomplish this at the end of the video. To import metadata in ArcGIS Pro, you must log into the ArcGIS Online or Portal account that contains the items you want to import to. You may also want to adjust your settings under Project, Options, and search or scroll until you find metadata. Here you may set your default metadata style to the FGDC CSDGM style. Click OK, and back in your project, go to the View tab and open the Catalog view if you haven't already. Under the Contents pane in the Portal section, you may search through all items that you have available. Please note that this section will say Portal whether you are connected to an ArcGIS Online account or to a Portal account. From here, select the item that you'd like to add metadata to. Note that you may also choose to edit metadata manually in ArcGIS Pro as well. However, to import metadata, just click Import and use the File button to navigate and find the folder that you're looking for. One really important thing to note is that ArcGIS Pro will not be able to recognize metadata.xml files that are named metadata.xml. I recommend just changing the file name in a file explorer so that it will be visible to the program. Then just select the correct file and hit OK to import. Hit OK again. This will either refresh automatically, or you can hit the refresh button to see that update. It will also automatically update on the existing item in ArcGIS Online or Portal. Here on that item in ArcGIS Online, the details will also be updated. The metadata can also be further updated or edited in ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS Online as needed, but please keep in mind that editing here will not update the original local .xml file. If you do have some existing metadata you want to preserve without overwriting all elements, the workaround is to import your metadata on a spare working item and use the Edit Metadata in ArcGIS Online or Portal. Select the three dots by the Save button and overwrite the metadata. From this window, you can choose to maintain the current metadata details and import the new values from that item ID of the spare or working ArcGIS Online item. This concludes the tutorial for how to import existing metadata files generated using the Minnesota Metadata Editor to your items in ArcGIS Online or Portal. In future videos, MinGeo will provide guidance on how to complete sharing of the items to the Commons Hub.